Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Casa Selena Cruise Line. So, I'm Alana, your instructor for today. Okay, everyone, did you enjoy your cruise now?
Yes.
Yes. That's good. Now, to start, we will need face towel. So first, we will make a swan identical princess. So first, hold the middle of the face towel, then um, roll it like this. Then the other side. After rolling it, okay, after rolling it, place it like this, then bend it. Okay. Set aside, then make the other one princess. Same as the other one, roll it like this, and hold in the middle. Next, the other side. Okay. After rolling, make it like this, then bend. Okay. So, we just finished the body of this one. Next is the tail. Set aside, then the tail. To make the tail, first, you will fold it like this. Fold it. Then, like this. Fold it in half. Then set aside. Make the other tail. This is so easy to make. Okay. Then, okay, we are done with our tail and the body of this one. Place it like this. Make sure this is like. Then the other one. Then put the tail. Okay. So this is the two identical swan princess. Then we will place some decoration. This. So that it will look like royalty. The other one is Okay, that's it. So this is the two identical swan princess. Next, we will make a same two identical nerd crabs. First is fold it like this, like a triangle here in the top. Then fold it like I did in the tail of the swan, like this. Then fold it here. Then make that. So this is the first crab. We'll make the second crab.
Lang.
Just fold it like this. So easy. Okay guys, are you enjoying this activity?
Yes.
That's good. Then, like this. So we're done with our body. Next is, we will put the eyes of crabs. Crab. Then, this. Then the other one. Okay, this is the identical nerd crabs. Okay, so this is the identical swan princess and the two nerd crabs. Okay, that's all. Thank